Hi there. We're going to answer common questions that we get here. So let's move on to question number 7. So this is part 2 of an answer to this question of what is our secret sauce? We have 5 key ingredients, and that's one of the frameworks that we run every job through. And number 2 is things that are fun and joyful. This could be things that are silly and quirky, things like puzzles, things like games, things you can wear, like party hats or silly glasses. They also can be, sillies, not necessarily on brand for everyone or appropriate. They could also be motivational and inspirational pieces. And that ties back to the messaging that we're putting on things that are going into the kit. One simple, easy thing that you can do that doesn't cost a lot of money is a sticker. Everybody loves to decorate their water bottles, their vehicles, their laptops with stickers. And this is one of those things that I feel like is a no brainer to go into every kit. Is some sort of fun sticker. Again, motivational messaging, not just your logo. So, if you want more bright ideas for branded experiences that create raving fans out of your audience, then come join the party at our next video. Yay! Yay! What do you think? Too much? Should we use that? Yeah, we probably shouldn't use that.